What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today we are going to be unboxing a Sansi LED light. This is a 100-watt variant, and this one was actually sent to me for free by them. So let's get this unboxed and let's check it out. Upon opening the box, it is actually quite simple. There's not a whole lot going on in here. We have a little instruction manual, and then everything else is pre-assembled, which is pretty nice. You don't have to clip anything on. It's pretty much ready for you to take out and set up. Right off the bat, you can see that this light is pretty compact, and it is a solid build. These are all metal fins that you see here, and that means this one is passively cooled, so you don't have to worry about a fan dying on you, causing the light to malfunction, so that's nice. I love all the passive cooling lights. I don't like any active cooling. Like I said earlier, this light does come with two adjustable hangers that are already pre-attached. You don't have to go and assemble that. However, you can remove them. They are like screw-on type, if that makes any sense. We've seen these similar hangers in a different Sansi LED light video that I did do in the past, and so they're reusing those on here, and they're pretty nice. I like them, and you can change the length, so they're pretty cool. This light comes with a pre-attached power cord, and then it does have an on-off switch midway, which is pretty nice. That way you don't have to unplug it or put it on timers, and you can just quickly snap it on or off with the flick of a switch. Looking up close, it is a pretty solid design. Again, you can see the fins much better here. They're very large, so that's going to give it a lot of passive cooling because there's a lot of surface area for that heat to dissipate. There is a dimming switch on this light, which I also love. I hate when lights are fixed brightness because it doesn't always work that way and you need some flexibility. So seeing a dimming switch on here is excellent. I love seeing that feature. I did notice that this light had some sort of mounting feature. I almost wonder if this is from one of their non-grow light fixtures that they also sell, and they'd probably use it to attach to like a garage or something. Sansi LED makes grow lights, and they also make like regular home lights, so I'm guessing they're reusing the housing, and that's all this is about. Flipping over the LED light, you can see there's an array of LEDs on both sides, and they are covered with a nice plastic covering that has little lenses on there to help focus that LED light. So this is going to be a little more spotlighty, if that makes any sense, and it's going to be pretty intense, so you can grow quite a few things underneath this light. Alright, so let's get this thing powered up and turned on and check out how bright this thing really is. You can see quite quickly as I spin the dimming knob that it goes from dull to absolutely bright. I think those lenses that they got on front really help focus this light because it feels incredibly bright. Here you can see I'm hanging it over my workstation, and again it really exemplifies that real spotlight effect that I was talking about. However, it is super even across the circle, if that makes any sense. We've seen other lights that are a little wider and less spotlight but they're also much more gradient, so it's really strong in the center and then falls apart on the outside. However, this one feels pretty solid all the way across that spotlight. You could definitely hang this one up high and cover a lot of different plants. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that simple unboxing. It's a pretty cool light. It's got quite a nice spotlight appearance to it, so you can definitely mount that on the ceiling somewhere and it should do a pretty good job. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.